So basically, this is how I start my day, following my routine. It's my first time actually using this camera. I got a camera. In the washroom. It's gonna be a little echoey though. Hi. Nice to meet you. My name is Hiba and welcome to my channel, in case you forgot me. Anyway, let me tell you what's been up with me. I'm in a very transitional place in my life where I want to go from being this person to this person. No hate to this person. I mean, I'm going to talk more about her later, maybe in a different video or something. But me, I am trying to wake up early. Basically, I'm trying to pay more attention to myself in like all dimensions. I want to make sure that my mental health is on check, that my physical body is in check. So I have to like journal, meditate, stretch regularly, and go to the gym, stay active. Look at that, bro. Oh my god. It's a vlogception. Ooh, who's she? Who's she? Who's she? Who's she? So basically, this is how I start my day. I have these two books. One is a planner, one is just like a lined, ruled journal. First, I pull out the planner. I'm somebody who focuses a lot on my tasks and writing them down to get them done. Without it, I'm dysfunctional. First things first, I basically go through my planner, write down everything that I need to do. I focus this specifically on work, but I also include like errands and going to the gym or maybe following my routine. So I have this little section over here. It's a habit tracker. Habit trackers are like so essential. And I have 7 things on my habit tracker and they're all related to just my morning routine. My goal is not to focus on my entire day, but to make sure that I start off my day right. So this includes cleaning up, H2O, yoga, targets, journal, do my AM skincare, and then the gym. The gym, I only go 3 times a week. The second book is my target book where I actually literally write targets. Can you see that? Hello. I have to script a video. It says clothes here. But wait, it's not over yet. And we have to sort this out. Y'all, this is from my vacation from like 2 weeks ago. I'm not the best with clothes, so I really had to write that down. Alright. Today we have oranges, apples, pears, and bananas. What should I do? Morning routine playlist. Okay, let's see what you about. I'm tired of this song. Yeah, this playlist does not make me feel like that girl. Parisian mornings. Okay.
Partir n'importe où, bras dessus, bras dessous, en chantant des chansons. C'est si bon de se dire des mots doux, des petits riens du tout, mais qui en disent long en voyant notre monde.
I'm a shy yoga person, okay? Don't watch me stretch. gel. Never sleep with your makeup on, y'all. I still have mascara on my lashes. Skincare time. This spray bottle is everything. My stomach just growled.